Hello, welcome to another episode of MISys Tips and Tricks through Central Nervous Systems. Today we want to talk about the possibility of being able to reopen manufacturing orders or purchase orders you may have closed prematurely. This is a scenario that is faced by many of our clients, where a client might close a purchase order and then realize that they need to receive more or unreceive certain quantities. Maybe the QC system found defective items and the PO has been closed, and now we need to reopen it and receive certain quantities. Same thing applies to manufacturing orders. Maybe we close the manufacturing order, now realize that we want to use that for producing additional items or whatever the case might be that requires us to make changes to that manufacturing order. Well, MISys user interface does not allow you to reopen purchase orders or manufacturing orders. In many cases, our clients end up having to contact us for us to go to the back end and make these changes for them, which takes time, as well as being able to get to that request in time might not always be possible, delaying the client's processes. So to resolve this issue, we have developed a little background, or a backend, I should say, solution, where we have created jobs, which you can go to master files, jobs, and you will see there is an MO reopen and a PO reopen job. So if we go to our purchasing menu and find of our closed purchase orders, PO 025, as you can see, this PO has been closed, and we can drill into it and we can see that there is 29 lines on this PO and they've all been closed. So we can go to our PO reopen, navigate to custom fields tab, enter the PO number, and click save. Notice that it resets itself. We can now close the job. Purchase order 25 has now been reopened, all of its lines as well. And we can now go and make any and all the changes we want on the PO and close it again when we need it closed. The same thing applies to manufacturing orders. You can find a manufacturing order, in this case MO 1025. Clearly the status is closed, so we can navigate to our job, that is MO reopen. Same as the PO reopen, we go to the custom fields tab and enter the MO number, save it, it resets itself, and if we refresh the MO, now it is release status. This little workaround can prove to be very time saving and very efficient for our clients who face these situations. So if you would like to obtain this solution, please feel free to contact us through email at info@centralnervoussystems.com or through your consultant that has been assigned to you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.